Good morning, students. Today we will discuss volume related to the cylinder. Volume of cylinder. We know the shape of cylinder is like this. Where r is the radius and h is the height. This is the r is the radius of the base, radius of the circular base, and h is the height of cylinder. In cylinder, till now we have studied CSA. CSA of cylinder is 2 pi RH and TSA is given as CSA plus 2 into base area region, that is 2 pi RH plus 2 pi R square, 2 pi RH plus R. Now today we will discussing topic related to the volume. So we have to find volume of the cylinder. How we will find the volume of the cylinder? The volume of cylinder can be find as area of circular base region multiply height, that is pi r square multiply h. So the volume is given by pi r square h. The cylinder of volume is pi r square h. So we have to remember three formula for the cylinder. First formula is CSA. CSA of cylinder is given as 2 pi r h. TSA is given as 2 pi r bracket h plus r, and volume of the cylinder is given as pi r square h. Where pi is constant, the value of pi will be given either 22/7 or 3/7. So moving on the examples, first example related to this exercise is example number 13. Example number 13 at page number 229. Now, the pillars of temple are cylindrically shaped. In question it is given the pillar of cylinder are in the shape of cylinder. Each pillar has a circular base, radius of 27. R equals to 20 centimeter is given, and height equals to 10 meter. What? Height equals to 10 meter. How much concrete mixture will required to make such 14 pillars? Number of pillars is 14. To find is volume of concrete. The volume of concrete. Now, listen here. Here, radius is given in centimeter, height is given in meter. So we will change either radius into meter square, या height into centimeter. So here volume of concrete will be given equals to volume of one pillar multiply that 14 pillar. So the total volume of concrete will be equals to 14 multiply volume of one pillar. So now solving, volume is in the shape of cylinder. So volume of one pillar will be equals to pi r square h. The value of pi is 22/7 multiplied 20 into 1000 centimeter cube. Why I have taken 1000 centimeter cube? In the place of height is 10 meter. So it will be equals to 1000 centimeter. Now multiply 22 multiply 2, 44, 42 multiply 88. 88. Now count the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 50 upon 7 centimeter cube. Now volume of concrete required equals to 14 multiply volume of 1 pillar. 14 multiply 88000 upon 7, it will be cancelled out. Now 176 centimeter cube. Now we know that in last exercise we have discussed 1 meter cube equals to 10 to the power 6 centimeter cube. What? 10 to the power 6 centimeter cube. This volume is our in centimeter cube. Suppose we have to find in meter cube, so we will divide it by 10 to the power 6. That will be equals to 17.6 meter cube. The volume of concrete required will be 17.6 meter cube. Now moving to next example. See example number 14 of the book. Example number 14 given at a Ramzan Mela. A stall keeper is one of the food stall having large cylinder vessel, base of radius 15 centimeter. What is given in example number 14? Radius is given equals to 15 centimeter and filled up to height of 32 centimeter. Height equals to 32 centimeter with orange juice. The juice is filled into a small glasses of radius 3 centimeter and height. Now it is transferred. This dimension is given of the large vessel. What? Large vessel. Now the juice is transferred into a smaller vessel whose radius I am taking a small r, that is equals to 3 centimeter and height equals to 8 centimeter. What? Height equals to 8 centimeter. It is this dimension is of a smaller vessel. Sold for each 3 rupees. Now rate is given rupees 3 per small vessel. How much money does the stall receive by selling juice completely? Now we have to find how much money shopkeeper get by selling this. Now listen here. Juice has been prepared in larger vessel whose radius is 15 centimeter and height is 32 centimeter. So here both vessels are in the shape of cylinder. So volume of vessel can be given by pi r square h. Now orange juice has been prepared in large vessel, so the volume of orange juice can be given as pi r square h. Here I am taking capital H. So pi multiply r 15 multiply 15 multiply 32. This is the volume of orange juice. Now orange juice is transferred into a small vessel. Now volume of a small vessel will be volume of a small vessel is given as pi r square h, pi into 3 into 3 into 8 centimeter cube. Now we have to find number of vessels. Number of vessels will be equals to volume of orange juice upon volume of a small vessel. Now volume of orange juice will be pi multiply 15 multiply 15 multiply 32 upon pi multiply 3 into 3 multiply 8. Pi cancel out. 5 5 4 5 5 is 25 4. So total vessel will be 100. Now money earned by shopkeeper equals to rate multiply number of vessels. So 3 multiply 100, that is rupees 300. So total amount earned by the shopkeeper is 300. Now moving on to next question, we will see. Now coming to exercise 13.6. First question is, the circumference of the base of cylindrical vessel is 132 centimeter. In question number 1, circumference of base is given, that is 132 centimeter, and height is 25 centimeter. H equals to 25 centimeter. How many liter can it hold? In it is given 1000 centimeter cube equals to 1 liter. So we don't need here to change units. So circumference of base is given. Since we know that volume of the cylinder is pi r square h, but here we have given base, we have given circumference. So circumference of the cylinder is, the base of cylinder is circle. So circumference of base will be equals to the 2 pi r. Now let us see. Circumference of base will be 2 pi r, that will be equals to 132 centimeter. R equals to 132 upon 2 pi. The value of pi is 132 into 7 upon 2 into 22. When we cancel out, it will be 6 3. R equals to 21 centimeter. What? The value of R is 21 centimeter. Now volume of cylinder will be pi r square h, 22 upon 7 into 22 into 21 into 25. Cancel off 3. That will be equals to 22 into 3 into 21 into 25 centimeter cube. Now we have to change into liter cube. So we know that 1000 centimeter cube is equals to 1 liter. So when we will divide it by 22 into 3 into 21 into 25 by 1000, it will change into liter. Now 40 20, 11. What we have got? 11 into 3 into 21 upon 20. 63 into 33. 63 multiply 11 upon 20 liter. 693 upon 20 liter. When you will change, you divide it 3, 4.65 liter will be the capacity of the that vessel. Means the capacity of vessel will be 34.65 liter. When you divide 693 by 20, it will comes 3, 4, yes, 34.65 liter. Now moving to next question. Question number 2. The inner diameter of cylindrical wooden pipe is 24 centimeter and outer diameter is 20. In question number 2, inner diameter is 24 centimeter, outer diameter is 28 centimeter. Length of pipe is 35 centimeter. Means height equals to 35 centimeter. And find the mass of pipe if 1 centimeter cube equals to 1 centimeter cube equals to 0.06 gram. 0.6 gram. So, in this question, we have given a hollow pipe. What we have given? We have given a hollow pipe and we have to find the mass of the pipe. See here, in this question, I am explaining first by figure. You see it. First I am taking inner radius, that is 24 centimeter and height is 35 centimeter and outer radius is 28 centimeter. So volume of hollow pipe can be find out. The volume of hollow pipe can be given as volume of cylinder with diameter 28 centimeter minus volume of the cylinder with diameter 24 centimeter. यानी जो हमारा होलो पाइप है उसका वॉल्यूम कैसे फाइंड कर सकते हैं? एक सिलेंडर ले लो जिसका डायमीटर कितना होना चाहिए 28 सेंटीमीटर और उसमें से तुम क्या करो कि एक सिलेंडर कट करके निकाल लो जिसकी डायमीटर कितना हो 28 सेंटीमीटर. मान लो ये एक सिलेंडर है जिसकी डायमीटर है तुम्हारा 28 सेंटीमीटर. क्या है? डायमीटर 28 सेंटीमीटर है और हाइट है 35 सेंटीमीटर. अब इसमें से क्या करना है कि एक सिलेंडर तुम्हें निकाल लेना है जिसकी रेडियस है तुम्हारा 28 सेंटीमीटर. क्या रेडियस है 28 सेंटीमीटर. सो वॉल्यूम ऑफ द पाइप इन सॉल्यूशन, volume of pipe can be given as volume of cylinder with I am taking outer diameter as d1 and inner diameter as d2. d1 minus volume of cylinder with d2. Now since we know that volume of cylinder volume cylinder is pi r square h, pi r square h. So here height is same, so we keeping h is equals to h, but diameter radius is different. So for I am taking r1 for outer diameter pi r square h minus pi r2 square h. Now r1 will be equals to here, r1 will be equals to 14 centimeter and r2 will be equals to 12 centimeter. Now 22 upon 7 multiply r1 square, 14 square minus multiply 35, 22 upon 7 multiply r2 is 12 square upon 35. In both 22 upon 7 35 is common, so we will take out 22 upon 7 into 35. In bracket we will have 14 square minus 12 square. You know a square minus b square is equals to a plus b, a minus b. We can rewrite as 14 minus 14 as a and 12 as a b. So it can be written as 22 upon 7 multiplied by 13, 14 plus 12, 14 minus 12. 25, 22 5 is 110. Multiply 26 multiply 2, 11 0 multiply 52, 52 multiply 110, that will be equals to 5720 centimeter cube. The volume of pipe is 5720 cube centimeter cube. Now we have to find volume. So volume will be given as now we have to give mass of the pipe. Mass of the pipe will be given as volume multiplied mass of 1 centimeter cube. So mass of pipe equals to 572 centimeter cube multiply 0.6 gram upon centimeter cube. Centimeter cancel out. It will be equals to 3432 gram. That is equals to 3.432 kg. The volume of pipe is, the mass of the pipe is 3432 kg. Solve the remaining question. Thank you.